Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing some new taillights on this 1996 Chevy K2500. Now I already got this one off. It's just held on with like 2 screws. It's pretty easy to do. Here's the new set. I think they come with bulbs too. We got this new one. Look how nice that looks compared to this old one. It's really nice looking. Yeah, it's got bulbs in it, looks like. So let's go ahead and just plastic off. Set next to the new next to the old. Look at that difference, guys. That looks way better. So it looks like all you got is this clip. Let me go see it. Looks like you just got this little pin connector. Goes in like that, and looks like all you gotta do is there's these little tabs that go into place. Looks like I just gotta put them in place. Does the top got one too? Yeah, the top's got one, so it's kind of awkward to do. Alright, you get that. Then usually you'll have 2 screws, but in this case we only got 1. But I think the screw hole's up here. Just a Phillips head. Screw it in as best we can until we can get another screw. And that's the old one on the right, and that's the new one on the left, and that's a big difference. And I'm sure you'll be able to see the color through that better. Let's see. Yeah, that looks way better. Here's the new one, and here's the old one. Now that is a big difference. Let's go ahead and get the turn signal and make sure that works too. Okay, hush. Alright, so right here, that's the new one, and that's the old one. If you look at that, it's a way better shine through that one than that old one. Just look how much better that looks. We'll have to get the new one. This wasp is messing with me. Alright, I shoot away that wasp that kept messing with me, I think, for now. I'll have another video of replacing the third one, because that should be easy too. But I'll do this one on camera with you guys. The only thing is, I don't know how to mount it where you guys will be able to see it. There we go. Okay, that's good enough. So you got 1 screw here in the bottom, I think. Yeah, that's a screw there in the bottom. You got one up here at the top. Let's get the top one. These things are in good. Make sure it doesn't go flying out. We'll just set it on the tailgate. This bottom one. Gosh. Alright, so we got that tail light out. So let's go ahead and get this. Let me get the screw out. Oh, it's held on with a clip. So let's go ahead and just put this new one in. Let's get the clip on. There we go. Put it in alright. The clips. This has specific clips that go into place. Looks like it's. Hold on. Hold on a second. Looks like. Be careful of these. This little clips that have to come off. So I'm gonna have to keep unscrewing it, I guess. I don't know if that's gonna come off. I don't think it is. But it looks like it already has that clip. So hold on, give me a second, guys. Alright, guys, so I fixed what was the issue. It was like this little clip that got stuck, but we fixed it. So now I just gotta get this installed. Alright. So now that we got that little clip thing that was messed up removed, go ahead and try to remove it. Put this, not remove the foam, but like wrap around the taillights. I didn't do it good on the other one, other side. Alright, I think it's in. Okay, let's go ahead and get the screw in. To the top one, right? Yep. Phillips head. Oh yeah, everything on this is a Phillips head. Crap. Which way? Crap, my batteries are falling out my screwdriver. Dang. Alright, there we go. I know, it sounds weird saying that, but this screwdriver has batteries because it has like a little light on it. So if you're working at night, you can see. Okay. And there's the bottom hole. These screws probably would be the best to be replaced soon, but dang it. There we go. Alright. Good old Chevys. I'm not gonna blame the truck, it's like 26 years old. Can't really blame a truck. I mean it's lasted pretty long. And it's low miles too, so we'll have a review of this truck soon. I'll review this truck. No doubt about that. Alright, it's in good, so we'll install this in the same video. Actually, I changed my mind. Alright. Let's go ahead and... Okay. Yep, truck's mad at me. It's going... So now, we got both of them in. Dude, that looks so good. Gosh, dude, that looks awesome. Look how much better that looks. Look at the lens. We're also gonna replace that third one. So how do you do it? Oh, let's turn off the flasher. Cargo lamp, there you go. See what the cargo lamp looks like. One of the bulbs is out in it, so it's perfect. We're putting a brand new LED one in it. Here's a sneak peek. Here's the mileage on it, so you all get to see that review. 71,000 miles on it. But we're not gonna get into too much depth of this. Record that a different time. Oh, I do need to probably check the reverse bulbs. I didn't think of that, but we'll try to check that later. Now we just need to install the third brake light. I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, so now that we got those two lights replaced, we're going to go ahead and do the third one. That's going to require making on the tailgate. Get in the bed, I guess, to do this one. Now the new one has LED bulbs, so this is going to look really good. Here's the current one. So it looks like it's, yeah, it's fallen off and it's already broken. So, good thing we're replacing it, I guess. So you just got, let me sit into my screwdriver. You just got one here. Crap, it's already coming off and it's broken. Shut up, Blaine. Come on, it's the worst time to be here. I can't probably get the screw to this one. No, I can't. But we'll be back when I get it out. That screw broke when I took it off, but it looks like you have to take off this part too. So, because I guess this is just like a cover or something. So I guess we'll go ahead and do these. Well, we can get this one off. Forgot this one. This one, it got a little stuck. Or it didn't get a little stuck, but it just broke. Looks like the plastic's still around it. This need to be replaced anyway since that bulb is burnt out. So I guess it's a good thing. I'm gonna get this one out the rest of the way. That plastic will come off. There we go. Two long screws. Get that plastic off. Okay. Now you got, after you remove those two screws, you got one right here, one right here. I think this would be it. Maybe you leave these in. I don't think you would though. I assume this just comes off. Sure it pulls out the rest of the way. No? So we got a little in there. Alright. And it's removed. And then you got this other one. Right here. Gosh, this thing's so old. Like, think how long these screws have been sitting in here. They've been put in here since 1996 or 1995, whenever this was made. It says 96, but sometimes these were made in 95, like the last month or so. Let's go ahead and get this screw out. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, there we go. This should just come off, right? Alright, it was a little stiff. Cut my hands a little dirty, but it is a little stiff. Oh, there's spider webs in here. Good grief, dude. So I guess it's just this one little clip. And it should just come off, you'd think. Hold on, give me a second. It looks like I just gotta push these little tabs. It looks like it would just come off easy, but it does not. So we'll be back in a second. Alright, that was a pain, but now we got the old one off. Now we need to get the new one. I'll leave that plastic on until I get it installed. So it looks like it's just got the same type of connector the other one did. See? You can see here he's put it in the same exact spot. Here, before I install this, let's go ahead and go down here and see if the light works, at least the cargo one. See if it works at all. Alrighty. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Alright. Let's go ahead and go back up here. Finish installing it. So we just go ahead and shove all the wiring back here. Alright, sorry, I just realized I paused it I didn't pause it. But I got the I got that screw in. Go ahead and peel this back a little bit. Let's go ahead and get the other one in. Alright. So I guess we can just dispose of those ones. And get this screw in. And I'll be back when I get that one in. So we got the new taillight installed right here. Has the new LED bulbs in it, and it's really nice looking compared to the old one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.